Guys, in today's video tutorial guide, I will be showing you 3 ways you can use in adding a grainy noisy effect to your background using your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. And the number one way you'll be using in achieving a noisy grainy effect is through the use of PixelLab over here. So when you launch your PixelLab over here, this is what you should have. So now to get the grainy and noisy effect, you have to go to the down part of your PixelLab. You know there are 5 icons at the down part of PixelLab right over here, just like you can see on my screen. They are down picture at the down part. So you'll be going to the fifth one, which is this shiny stuff, which is the last effect on PixelLab. This is it right here. So when you go there, when you click and enable it, you will have this another feature. So to enable the noisy grainy effect on PixelLab, just go over to this noise feature and enable it. You will have something like this. So you just have to enhance it through the use of alpha and this enhance feature. So this is basically everything you need to know on how you can add a grainy effect using PixelLab. Now let's move on to the second way you can add a noisy grainy effect with your smartphone. And the number 2 way you can add a noisy grainy effect is through the use of Lightroom app, which is Lightroom over here. So just go over to Play Store, you can find this over here. Just click on Lightroom, and when you have it like this, so bring in the design or the picture you want to add a noisy effect to. So let me select one of the picture from my gallery that we can just use to work with it, and we are good to go. So let me select a design from my PixelLab over here that we can just walk around for the sake of this video tutorial guide. So let me see. Okay, let's just work with any of this design over here. Let's say I want to use this design. I want to add a grainy effect to this design. So I've selected this picture and it has loaded into my Lightroom app. So I should have it. Let me see. This is the picture right over here. This picture I want to add a grainy effect to. So to add this grainy effect, make sure you also go to the down part of this Lightroom and just like go to this down part of Lightroom. So you need to go over to this effect. You can do some little editing to it. Just go over to this little effect and scroll down. No, I'm on this verse. Scroll down and you get to this green. This is this green. So this green over, you just have to increase this green feature. When you increase it over here, you get to increase the size of the green effect also from here, and you can increase the roughness from here. So this is how you can add green effect using Lightroom also. So you just have to walk around it. You get you find something that work with you. So this is the number 2 way you can add a grainy effect with your smartphone. And over to the number 3 way you can also add a grainy noisy effect with your background is through the use of Snapseed over here. So this is Snapseed over here, and to do that, bring in your picture or the background you want to add a noisy effect. So just select something. So let me select this picture also. So when you select something like this, to enable the grainy feature on Snapseed, go over to the tool feature at this down part of Snapseed. Also go over to this tool feature. When you click on it, it will bring a lot of picture, and to enable that, you have to choose this grainy film. So just look around and select this grainy film. So select this grainy film. When you select this grainy film, you should have something like this. So you get to select if you want to increase the grainy style and the effect. Make sure you swipe up or down to unveil the feature, or better still, go over to this down part and try to slide your screen to the right or to the left. When you slide to the right or the left, you'll be able to increase, and for the style strength you're able to increase. So this is not really visible on this grainy on this feature. Let's check another style right here that we can work with. Let's see this, but this is not showing. So let's go over to this tool feature and let's try this noise effect. So when you see this noise effect, so you get to select the strength. So this is try this noise effect. You get to select the strength over here. So just swipe in to the right to the left to select the strength of what you want to work with. So this is how you can enable the grainy effect to write with your Snapseed. So this is how to select the grainy effect with your Snapseed. So you can easily go over to this tool feature again and try around every feature right here. So this is the grainy one. So just move around and work with all these two feature on Snapseed to enable the grainy noisy effect. So this is the end of today's video tutorial guide, and I have been able to show you the 3 ways you can use in getting a noisy grainy effect with your smartphone. The number 1 is through the use of PixelLab, the number 2 through the use of Lightroom, and the number 3 through the use of Snapseed. So this is the end of today's video tutorial guide. If you find this video helpful, please make sure sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Like this video and make sure you share this video to your designers friend and let them grow together. Thank you for watching today's video. See you at the next video.